What is going on, guys? Today we got ourselves a portable AC unit, and I'm not talking about one of those portable AC unit where you use in your house. This is used for camping. When I saw this, I just thought, what a genius idea. I mean, where would the best place be for a portable AC unit? In your tent. Anyway, I don't have a tent, but I do have some use cases for this. Anyway, we're gonna run through unusual tests with this to make sure that the temperature is where it's at, because obviously with AC unit, that's really all that you care about, right? Is that can it get cold quickly, especially with a product like this where you're literally using it out there and usually in the 90 to 100 degree heat, especially if you're in Texas. Yeah. So anyway, let's bust this thing open and let's take a look at it. Okay, so first thing first, the entire thing is about, I say, 30% of the size of an actual portable AC unit that I usually have in my house. Now, from a weight standpoint, the entire thing weighs about a portable battery pack that you would get out there, like a Jackery or EcoFlow or anything like that. Especially if you're in the camping space, you know what those are. They're emergency batteries. They work great. It's about the size of that. You can carry it with one hand, but obviously this does not have a battery inside of it. You do need to plug it in, so you would have to carry around a portable battery with this thing. So from an accessory standpoint, it does come with the hose so that you can actually hose this thing. Now the funny thing about this is that it doesn't go just one way, it goes out the other way as well. You can leave this outside and then it blows cool air into your tent using this little guy right here, because if you know portable AC unit, usually it goes one way, meaning that the hose goes to the window, it sucks all the air in, and then this unit right here will be inside blowing cold air, right? So you can do that as well, but this right here has also a reverse effect, so you can actually suck air from the outside, and this is the only thing that goes into your tent, not the entire unit. Does that make sense? It goes both ways. Go ahead and check out the little control panel that's on here real quick. I'm going to remove this little protection that they have on here. Okay guys, so it's time to let's do a little temperature test on this AC unit right here. Again, this is a small AC unit made for tent, and so if you have a smaller enclosed place, I think this should be sufficient for you. But we're going to go ahead and do a little unit test right here. So first off, I'm going to measure this right here, and it's saying that it is about 75 degree right here. Sorry if y'all can't see that. I need to cover my eyes. There we go. 75 degree right now. Indoor, right? I'm not in the hot heat out there, so take it for what it's worth, okay? So right now it's 75 degree. I'm gonna go ahead and turn it on. I'm gonna give it about 1 or 2 minutes for it to cool, and I'm gonna go ahead and measure at that time to see how fast it cools, okay? (16°C). You can swap this to Fahrenheit, by the way. You can use the app and all that good stuff. So right now, 70 degree. As soon as it turns on, it's 70 degree right there. See that? Let's measure it again. It is now at 67 degree. And that's just not even a minute yet, okay? It's about 30 seconds. I'm gonna leave it on for a little bit more. Let's see here. And now it is at 62 degree. All right. By the way, this is in Fahrenheit. Let me swap it over to Fahrenheit on here. So you can use your little app right here. If you have your app installed, you can use this little app right here, and you can actually swap to Fahrenheit. And now this thing says it's 61 degree is the lowest that this thing will go. So if I go in any lower, I can't do it. 61 degree, okay? And again, we're gonna test it one more time. Here is 62 degree. So now that it's about a minute now. This thing just turned on. is at 62 degree, okay? Remember, this thing is set at 61 degree, all right? And now it's at 61 degrees. So it's about a minute and a half now, I would say. Yeah, about a minute and a half now. Still 61. This portion up here is actually 60. I'm gonna show you that real quick, right there. Let's see if it'll go even lower than 60, okay? It's still at 60. Some portion right now is at 59. Yeah. This thing is blowing out cold air. Oh. Yeah, it's pretty cold. Now, here's the thing. The interesting part is that on the back right here is blowing out hot air. So think about that, okay? You gotta vent this thing out to a window so that it's not mixing in with the environment that you're in. So what I wanna do is I'm gonna measure back here on how hot it is. So see, right now, back there is running at 117 Fahrenheit. So that's pretty hot back there. So what you wanna do is you wanna air it out. Here, let me show you. This right here, remember we were talking about this? So here it says top, and so it means that when you install on top, okay? I'm gonna install this, gonna vent this thing out to somewhere else, right? Out to a window or whatever it is. Let's go ahead and test this again. So right now it's still sitting at 59 degree, which is still lower than the 61 degree that I've set on this thing, right? So that's the lowest I can set is 61 degree. Right now it's sitting at 59 degree. Looks like it's gonna sit at 59 degree, but the significant piece about this is that back here is venting out really, really hot. The air itself is like 92 degree, and it can get even hotter. Oh, yeah, 98 right now back there. So the air is blowing at 98 degree back there, which is really hot in Fahrenheit. And up here, 60, 61. So yeah, guys, the entire unit, I mean, the airflow, it's sucking all the air in here, and it is distributing it in both sides, which is pretty interesting right there. Now, here's the other interesting part is that if you want to use the AC portion with this vent, you can. You just got to grab it and install it in here. So what does that mean? That means that you can literally leave this unit outside of your tent so that you don't have the noise, but you can still blow cool air right through here. Think about that. It's pretty genius that they built this so that you can vent out hot air or vent out cool air. Either way, right? Let me know what you guys think. This is a pretty interesting concept right here, where the entire AC unit is right here, and you just vent out the hot and the cold air out wherever you want it to go. Good stuff, right?